Hey, what's up YouTube? In today's episode I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to create tab groups in Google Chrome. Alright, especially if you're like me and like to have about 3,000 tabs open all at the same time. It will definitely help you keep everything a lot more organized. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up our web browser, and for the sake of this tutorial we're gonna go ahead and just open probably about 4 or 5 web pages. Alright, just random pages. That way we can go ahead and I can go ahead and show you how to create the tab group. All right, it's really neat. Will definitely help you have everything a lot more cleaner. Your browser will definitely look a lot cleaner, will look a lot more organized. So let's see here. I'm really into boxing because back in the day, a long time ago, I used to box. All right, but anyway, that's a different story. All right, so we have our 4 websites open. All right, let's pretend you'd like to have about 30 tabs at the same time. It could really end up looking a little dirty at times. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how to create the group. Go ahead and right click on any one of the tabs right here, and you're gonna go to this option right here, add tab to new group. And right here it gives you the option to go ahead and select a color. So we're gonna go, you can name it anything. I'm gonna go ahead and mine Lewis. And to the other tabs, just right click and add tab to group, and then you select the name of the group. You can actually have multiple groups. All right, so for example, if you wanted to go ahead and have some for your sports, for your videos, for your gaming, for your projects, for your homework, etc., you can have all of them right there. All right, so we have all these tabs in the group. All right, and then once you go ahead and click right there on the name of the group, all the tabs will automatically go to that particular group. All right, so you can go ahead and create another group right here, and another. Once you go ahead and select the group name, all the tabs will automatically open. I think that's pretty neat. Will definitely help you be a lot more organized. All right, so that's the way you go ahead and create the tab groups right here in Google Chrome. I think will definitely be helpful. All right, so that's another video brought to you by your boy Lewis right here. Alright, so if you go ahead and like this video, please go ahead and consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching. That'll do it for this one. Peace out.